If sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0, then find what is the value of sin power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta. So sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0, which will imply that sin theta is equal to cos theta. So simple to understand. Now we will have to think for what kind of theta values they both will be equal. Or otherwise we can even think it in a simple terms. For what value will they be equal? So they will be equal only in two values. So either it will be 1 by root 2 or it could be minus 1 by root 2. Because for no other values, sin theta and cos theta will have an intersection. If you look at the graph itself, it's very clear. It will be clear. So if you see, like when sin theta is 1 by 2, cos theta is going to be something else. When sin theta is root 3 by 2, cos theta will be something else. Where they both will be equal, only in these two values. That means make it very simple. Sin theta and cos theta will be equal either here or here. That's all. Only two cases. Now for these cases, let's try to find the value of this question. Sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta, which is same as sin theta power 4. So we'll take this case 1 by root 2. So we'll have 1 by root 2 whole power 4 plus 1 by root 2 whole power 4. Even if we take the other case, minus 1 by root 2. So we'll have the expressions answer to be minus 1 by root 2 the whole power 4 plus minus 1 by root 2 the whole power 4. And again it is very clear that both of them will give the same answer because it's going to be the same magnitude raised to the power 4. So when 1 by root 2 is raised to the power 4 or minus 1 by root 2 raised to the power 4, both of them is going to give the same answer because the power is an even value. It is going to change it as positive. Let's make it simple. So this will give you the answer as 1 by root 2 power 4. So root 2 power 4 will be 4, right? Root 2 into root 2 into root 2 into root 2. That means 2 2s are 4. Plus again 1 by 4. So this is 2 by 4 or 1 by 2. Here again we'll get the same answer. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. The answer is going to be 1 by 2. So anyways, in whatever way we try, whichever case, the final answer is going to be 1 by 2. 1 by 2 option B should be the right answer. We'll have a quick check. Yeah, option B, 1 by 2 is the right answer.